Hello guys, welcome back to SF4 YouTube channel, and we are on our fourth video of Java course. So if you are new here, SF Info is a YouTube channel for all those who are trying to learn new technologies every day. So please consider subscribing the channel and also click on the bell icon so you won't miss any of our videos. Let's take a look at operators. We have several types of operators: arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and relational operators. We use arithmetic operators to do simple mathematical operations. We can use add, subtract, multiply, divide, and also we have modulo. Let's see how each one works. Now I will declare two integers. First one x, and let's give a value of 10. Then another variable has a value of 3. And then I will create more variables in p, in q, in r, in s, and in z. 6 variables to do our different operations. For p variable, we will assign the value of x plus y. Means we are adding the value of x and y variables. For q, we will say x minus y. This will subtract y value from the x value. Then for r, x multiplied by y. This is the multiplication of two values. And then for s, x divided by y to divide x by y. Then to z, x modulo y. We will see what happens with these. Now I will print those values separately. So system.out.println, and then pass these integers here. P, okay, and if I run this, we get the values. Now we get the first one p as 30, which is the addition of these two. 10 plus 3 is 30. And then q is 7. Second one 7, which we get by subtracting 3 from 10. Then r is 30. 10 multiplied by 3 is 30. That is correct. Then here we get 3. Now 10 divided by 3, what is the answer should be? 3.33, right? This is what the answer should be. But we get the integer value 3 because we have this s variable in int type, and we are dividing two integer numbers. So if you want point value, first you need this as double value, and then here we have to cast the data type to double. Now we get the answer as 3 point this one. It's a long double value. Then to this z variable, we get the answer as 1. Now x modulus y operation is little different. What that do is, it divides the first number by second one and give the remainder of it. So 10 divided by 3 is 3 and the remainder is 1. So we get 1. Okay. Now there are some shortcuts to perform math operations. Let's take these two integer numbers. Now suppose I have to assign a new value to x, which is the addition of x plus y. Now the previous value of x was 10. Now new value should be the value of previous one plus y value 13. It should be 13. Yes, we get 13. We can do this operation by this. This does the same of adding y to x and assign that total value to x. So in here, as y, we can take any other numbers too. Now if we take 1, that means the new x value is the total of previous x value plus 1. Now what happens here is, we are incrementing the value of x by 1. To do this, we can simply type x plus plus. What happens here is x is equal to x plus 1. And if we print the value of x now, it will be 11. Now this is called increment operator. We can do the same with decrement operator, means minus minus. It does the same, but it subtracts 1 from the integer. Okay, now there are two types of increments, pre-increment and post-increment. Now let me assign y to this. I will delete the previous value. This is called post-increment. What this do is, it assigns the value of x to y and then increment the value of x. Let me print both values x and y. So here y value is 10 because when we assign x value to y, it was 10. But in here, we assign new x value to x, which is x plus 1. So x value should be 11. When we increment like this is called post increment. Okay. Now if I put x here, now this is pre-increment. In here, y will assign to the value of x plus 1. We assign incremented x value to y. Therefore, if we print this, we get the y value as 11 and x value also 11. We assign the new value of x. Therefore, y value also become 11. Now the same thing can be done to decrement too. Okay. Now that is all about arithmetic operations. Now in addition to this, let's see about strings more. I will declare two strings and give a value to first one as hello and to the next one I will give the value of world. Now suppose you have to print these two strings together to display hello world. To do that, in Java we can do string concat. I will declare a new string, this art string, and string concat happens like this. This means we are putting together these two strings in here. Now if I print this, we get the hello world. Now if we want space in between these, we can simply type a space inside of double quotes and press plus. So this one will act as another string. So you can use any more strings you like with plus sign. This is we call as string concat. Now you can see if you print it, you have hello world and there's a space in here. So this is called string concatenation. Also, if we need to print integer or other numerical value with the string, we can simply do it like this. In here, I can put plus and give the numerical value. And if I print this now, it will say hello world and 10. I will put another space here. Hello world 10. So this is very useful. Let's say. So in this way, you can pass number to next to the string. So that's all we are going to cover up in this video. See you soon with our next video.